everyone, welcome back. If you can't get into your Webull account, log in correctly. Here's how. Open the app and then click on the continue with account opening. After that, click on login and then you're going to continue with email. Then put in your email address. After that, you'll get a verification code. Then put in the verification code. After that, you'll have to tell them about yourself. Put in your first name, then your surname. After that, your gender, then your citizenship, where you're from. After that, your date of birth, then your marital status. After that, your number of dependents, and then click on next. Then you're going to fill in your personal information, your SSN, ITIN, mobile number, and then your residential address. After that, click next and do all the credentials that the app asks you to do. Then if two-factor authentication is enabled, enter the verification code. Will be logged into your Webull dashboard. Always enable two-factor authentication to keep your account secure, and that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes.